The Apple iPhone 12 is accessible with a major markdown on Flipkart in front of iPhone 13 S relied upon to dispatch at the impending Apple occasion on September 14. The 128GB model of the cell phone is at present retailing at Rs 71,999 rather than Rs 84,900 on Flipkart. Clients can additionally bring down the cost by profiting bargains like a trade offer worth up to Rs 15,000 and 5% cashback with Flipkart Axis Bank charge card. The telephone is likewise accessible with a no-cost MI installment alternative at 12,000 every month with select cards. Intrigued clients should take note of that this is a brief value cut, and the cost might change on the stage every day. The iPhone 12 is accessible in 5 shading alternatives of black, blue, green, red, and yellow. Its 64GB model is as of now retailing at Rs 66,999 and the 256GB alternative is accessible at Rs 81,999. Clients can likewise look at the iPhone 12 smaller than normal. Be that as it may, the customary iPhone 12 accompanies a greater 6.1-inch OLED screen, more helpful to watch recordings, perusing, and composing. Notwithstanding, in case you're a fanatic of a reduced telephone, the 5.40-inch alternative is similarly great as both the small-scale and normal variants have pretty much similar particulars. Different details of the iPhone 12 incorporate two 12-megapixel cameras at the back with help for 4K video recording. There's another 12-megapixel front camera for selfies that can likewise record 4K recordings. In the engine, it packs the A14 Bionic chipset with a 5G modem. All Apple 12 series accompany MagSafe remote charging support. Furthermore, Apple presented a USB Type-C port on the iPhone 12 series. In this manner you can utilize your old USB-C charger and connectors as the container does exclude a force block. In the event that you would prefer not to move to an iOS biological system,